What if the best part of your trip wasn't the destination, but the journey? First-class air travel is supposed to be the peak of comfort, but it's still a compromise. Airports, lines, schedules, and shared cabins. The Audi Grandsphere concept challenges that. It's designed to make your car the real luxury experience, your own first-class lounge on wheels, running on your time and terms. At first glance, the Grandsphere looks like something from 2040. Long, sleek, and low. It's more than a car, it's an experience. Audi didn't start with the exterior. They built it from the inside out. The result is a machine that redefines luxury. Massive doors open from the center, eliminating the middle pillar and creating a wide, inviting entrance. You don't just step in, you arrive. Audi calls it a private jet for the road. And the goal is simple: make travel time the best part of your trip. Inside, everything changes. The Grandsphere is designed around level for autonomous driving, meaning it can handle full control in certain conditions. Activate that mode, and the wheel and pedals retract into the dash, vanishing completely. The cockpit turns into a lounge. The seats recline deeply, giving you a personal space to rest, work, or watch a movie. The dashboard replaces screens with a full-width wooden surface where info and entertainment are projected. Control it with your eyes, your hand, or your voice. Technology disappears into the background, leaving only calm and simplicity. It doesn't stop there. The Grandsphere learns who you are. It recognizes you, adjusts the seat, climate, and lighting to your preference, and syncs your media from home. It could even drop you off, park itself, and recharge all autonomously. While this tech isn't fully real today, Audi's vision makes it feel close. The focus isn't only on luxury, but on time, removing every small task that slows your life down. Performance matches the ambition. The concept envisions over 700 horsepower from dual electric motors, hitting 0 to 100 km/h in just over 4 seconds. Its 120 kWh battery targets more than 750 km of range. Built on an 800-volt system, it could add around 300 km in 10 minutes. These are theoretical specs, but they show Audi's intent to make an electric Grand Tourer capable of replacing short-haul flights. Audi has confirmed the Grandsphere will influence future models, especially the A8 successor. It's full of bold ideas, autonomous luxury, seamless design, and effortless control. Features like the disappearing steering wheel and projected displays hint at how the company imagines the next era of mobility. The Audi Grandsphere isn't only a concept, it's a statement about what luxury should be: freedom, comfort, and control without compromise. It challenges the idea that first class belongs in the sky. By turning travel into a private, intelligent, it's redefining what it means to move. The future Audi envisions isn't far away, it's parked right in front of us, gleaming in silver.